Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Epson XP8600 printer review that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Expression Photo XP8800 wireless printer, which is a fantastic budget option for those seeking solid photo printing performance without breaking the bank. This printer uses a 6-color Claria Photo HD ink system, delivering gorgeous, lab-quality borderless prints up to 8.5 by 11. One of its standout features is its ability to print 4 by 6-inch photos in as fast as 10 seconds, making it ideal for users looking for efficiency in photo printing. The design is compact yet functional, featuring a flush 4.3-inch color touchscreen for easy navigation. It also includes versatile paper handling, with separate trays for plain and photo paper, plus a rear feed for specialty media. The built-in scanner and copier add value, especially for home users who need an all-in-one printer. Performance-wise, it delivers consistent quality both in text and photo prints, making it a reliable choice for casual users. While the XP8800 offers solid printing capabilities, it does have a few drawbacks. The print media size maximum is limited to 8.5 by 14 inches, and it lacks advanced wide-format capabilities. Still, for $249.99, it's an excellent value for those seeking a compact, versatile photo printer for everyday use. At number 4, we have the Expression Photo XP970 wireless color photo printer, a versatile option for users looking for wide-format printing capabilities. What sets this printer apart is its ability to produce stunning borderless photos up to 11 times 17 inches using 6-color Claria Photo HD inks. It's perfect for photo enthusiasts or creative professionals who need detailed, vibrant prints with smooth gradations and accurate skin tones. The design of the XP970 is sleek and modern, featuring a 4.3-inch touchscreen for PC-free operation and built-in USB and memory card slots. It also supports specialty media printing, including direct CD, DVD printing, which adds a creative edge. The fold-over scan lid is a thoughtful touch, keeping your originals securely in place during scanning. With wireless and voice-activated printing options, it's truly optimized for convenience. However, the XP970 has a slower maximum print speed compared to other models, and its price is currently not specified, which may deter budget-conscious buyers. It's a great choice for those who prioritize photo quality and wide-format versatility over speed and affordability, making it ideal for photographers and home creatives. Coming in at number 3 is the Expression Photo XP8600 wireless color photo printer, a compact yet powerful option for professional-grade photo printing. This printer uses Epson's 6-color Claria Photo HD inks to create stunning borderless photos up to 8 by 10, with smooth gradations and vibrant colors. It's a fantastic choice for users who want professional quality prints in a home-friendly design. The XP8600 is designed with convenience in mind, featuring wireless connectivity and Wi-Fi Direct for router-free printing. It also includes a 4.3-inch touchscreen and built-in USB and memory card slots for easy operation. The rear paper feed accommodates specialty media, and it even supports CD/DVD printing, making it a versatile choice for creative projects. Its compact size and lightweight build make it perfect for small spaces. On the downside, the maximum sheet size is limited to 8.5 by 14 inches, and its print speeds are slower compared to other models in this list. While the price is not specified, the XP8600's feature set makes it a solid mid-range option for users seeking high-quality prints and multifunctionality without needing wide-format capabilities. At the number 2 spot, we have the Expression Photo XP8700 wireless all-in-one printer, a premium option for users seeking top-tier performance. Priced at $299.99, this printer offers an all-in-one solution with high-quality photo printing, scanning, and copying capabilities. It features a 4.3-inch color touchscreen for intuitive operation and supports wireless printing for seamless connectivity. The XP8700 excels in producing brilliant photos with its 6-color Claria Photo HD inks, creating vivid, borderless prints up to 8.5 inches by 11. It's geared toward users who value precision and detail in their prints. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well in both home and office environments. Performance-wise, it's fast and efficient, making it great for handling larger print jobs without compromising quality. However, its price point may be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, while it supports a wide range of functionalities, it doesn't have wide-format printing capabilities. Overall, the XP8700 is an excellent choice for professionals and enthusiasts who want an all-in-one printer with superior photo quality and robust features. Taking the #1 spot is the EcoTank Photo ET8550, a wireless, wide-format, all-in-one printer that stands out for its cartridge-free printing system. This printer uses refillable ink bottles instead of traditional cartridges, significantly reducing long-term printing costs and environmental impact. It's perfect for users who need high-volume printing without the hassle of frequent cartridge replacements. The ET8550 supports wide-format printing up to 13 by 19 inches, making it ideal for photographers, designers, and creatives. Performance-wise, the ET8550 delivers dynamic photo prints with vibrant colors and rich detail thanks to its innovative ink tank system. It supports wireless connectivity, Ethernet, and USB, offering versatile options for printing from virtually anywhere. The 4.3-inch color touchscreen makes navigation simple, while voice-activated printing adds even more convenience. With print speeds of up to 16 pages per minute, it's a reliable choice for large jobs. The only downside is its higher upfront cost and larger footprint, as it's designed for heavy-duty use. Nevertheless, this printer is a powerhouse for users seeking exceptional photo quality, wide-format capabilities, and long-term savings. It's truly the best-in-class option for professionals and serious hobbyists alike. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.